Welcome to our countdown of the top 5 pizzas in the world. Get ready to tantalize your taste buds with these mouth-watering creations. We're talking crispy crusts, perfectly balanced sauces, and toppings that would make even the most discerning foodie weak at the knees. Listen up, this isn't some amateur cooking show. We're diving into the heart of pizza perfection, where every ingredient matters. From the bustling streets of Naples to the pizza capitals of America, we're serving up a feast for the eyes, and more importantly, for your stomach. So grab a napkin for that drool and get ready to explore the world's most iconic pizzas. Because after this, you'll be booking a flight, not ordering takeout. First up, straight from the fiery heart of Italy, it's Neapolitan pizza. This ain't some overloaded monstrosity, this is simplicity at its finest. We're talking a perfectly charred crust, blistered and puffy from the wood-fired oven. Then, a smear of San Marzano tomato sauce, bursting with natural sweetness. No messing about with fancy toppings here. Just fresh mozzarella, a few basil leaves, a drizzle of olive oil. Boom, you've got yourself a masterpiece. Next up, we're heading stateside to the concrete jungle, where pizza dreams are made of, well, thin crust and huge slices. New York-style pizza, my friends. This ain't your dainty knife and fork affair. We're talking massive, foldable slices with a crust that crackles when you bite into it. The sauce? Tangy, bright, and spread all the way to the edge. And the cheese? Oh, the glorious cheese. A generous layer of mozzarella, melted to golden perfection. This is the pizza you grab on the go, fold in half, and devour without a second thought. It's fast, it's furious, it's New York City in every bite. You think you can handle it?
This is the pizza you grab on the go, fold in half, and devour without a second thought. It's fast, it's furious, it's New York City in every bite. You think you can handle it?
Chapter 3. Chicago Deep Dish. The Rebel. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to dive into a pizza that laughs in the face of convention. This is Chicago Deep Dish Pizza, and it's not messing around. Forget your thin crusts. We're talking a thick, buttery deep dish that's practically a pie in itself. And the toppings? We're piling them high, starting with a mountain of cheese, followed by a river of rich tomato sauce. Sausage, pepperoni, peppers, onions, you name it, Chicago Deep Dish can handle it. This is a pizza that demands your attention, a pizza that you share with friends and family, a pizza that will leave you stuffed to the brim. It's bold, it's messy, it's bloody delicious. Don't even think about asking for a takeaway box. You'll need a crane to lift this beast. Chapter 4. Margherita Pizza, the queen of minimalism. Let's face it, sometimes you just want to go back to basics. And when it comes to pizza, there's no better way to do that than with a classic margherita. This pizza is a testament to the fact that less is often more. A thin, crispy crust, a delicate layer of tomato sauce, fresh mozzarella, and a scattering of basil leaves. That's it. No fancy toppings, no complicated flavors, just pure, unadulterated pizza perfection. It's the colors of the Italian flag, the taste of summer on a plate. Don't underestimate the margherita, folks. It may be simple, but it's a timeless classic for a reason. One bite, and you'll understand why this pizza has captured hearts and stomachs for generations. Chapter 5. Sicilian Pizza. The Square Peg. Last but not least, we're heading back to Italy for a pizza that stands out from the crowd. Sicilian Pizza. Forget your round pizzas. This bad boy is all about that rectangular life. And the crust? Forget thin and crispy. We're talking thick, fluffy, and bursting with flavor. This is a pizza that's built to hold a mountain of toppings, and it doesn't disappoint. We're talking onions, anchovies, tomatoes, herbs, and a generous helping of strong cheese like caciocavallo. It's a flavor explosion in every bite, a pizza that's not afraid to be bold and different. So, if you're looking for a pizza that's a little bit different, a little bit special, then Sicilian Pizza is the one for you. Thanks for joining us on this delicious journey. Which pizza are you craving now? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty content. From the classic Neapolitan to the rebellious Chicago deep dish, we've covered the best of the best in the pizza world. But the real question is, which one will reign supreme in your kitchen? Get out there, Try them all and let your taste buds be the judge. And remember, life's too short for bad pizza, so always demand the best.